Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to the Google Play Store. Now open up the Google Play Store, and at the very top right, we're going to tap on your profile. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to change or maybe add a credit card or debit card to. Now from here, you can see midway down, it says payments and subscriptions. That's where we can add a card. So just tap on that. And now from here, all we need to do is get into your payment methods. It will show you your old payment methods, but it will also allow you to add a new payment method. You can see a couple of Visa and an Amex card, but if you wanted to add a new one, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card, and then go through the process of entering in that card number, but also you can enter in the month and year and the security code on back, in addition to your name and your zip code. Now just tap on Save Card. You can also go back out of here and choose to add PayPal, or you can redeem a code if you got a gift card or something like that, and then you can use that as your payment method. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.